This simple storybook for kids has made over $176,000 in passive income. In today's video, I will show you how to launch a similar business starting from generating book idea, the main content, to high quality illustrations, and all of that by using the power of AI technology. So if you are interested in making passive income, then keep watching until the end, because I promise this video will contain valuable information you would not find anywhere. I came across this idea while scrolling on Amazon looking for potential passive income ideas. Then I found this product, which is a storybook for kids. You might say, okay, what's interesting about it? After doing my research, I was shocked by the numbers these sellers make by selling simple storybooks like this. This storybook has got 2,844 ratings, and if we multiply that by $6.15, which is the product price, you will find out that the seller has made over $7,000 from this book alone. Let's see another one. This book has got 1,745 ratings. Multiplied by $10.98, that will be over $19,000 in passive income. And this one has made over $200,000. And the craziest is that you can publish these books 100% free using Amazon KDP. Then I said, okay, why not create a similar book using ChatGPT? Publish it on Amazon and make passive income. That makes money while sleeping. So I decided to make this video and help as many people as possible. As you know, to create a good storybook, you first need to come up with a good story idea. So I asked ChatGPT to generate 50 titles for a storybook related to kids. As you can see, ChatGPT has given me some ideas. Now there are so many to choose from. I came up on this one, The Brave Little Explorer and the Lost Prayer. This sounds like a very exciting title. So I asked Chatbot to give me more details about this story. So this is a story of a brave little explorer that is on an exciting adventure that follows the journey of a young and courageous explorer on a quest to find a long lost treasure. So here the ChatGPT has provided me the details of the story. It has provided me the information about characters, the plot of the story. Now the ChatGPT has given us the story outline, so we can start creating the actual story based on the content. So I am going to ask ChatGPT to write me a story on this topic, the brave little explorer and the lost treasure, and create some chapters so we can easily go through each of the chapters. As you know, this is a book, so we have to create chapters. The ChatGPT has given us some chapters name. Chapter 1, The Mysterious Legend. Chapter 2, The Map and the Wise Old Sage. Chapter 3, Companions on the Journey. Chapter 4, The Forest's Secrets. Chapter 5, Riddles and Trials, and so on. Now we can start creating the actual story based on the chapters. All you need to do is copy the first chapter and paste it to the chatbot and ask it to write a rhythm story on this chapter. Once it's done, you can read the story, and if you don't like it, you can always regenerate a response until you are happy, and then you can do the same to all of your chapters. Once your story is completed, now it is ready to be converted into a book that could generate passive income without needing to write anything myself. If you think about it, it's actually crazy how fast we come up with the story idea and the actual story. But trust me, we have not started yet, because what's come next is mind-blowing. So if you enjoyed the video so far, please hit the like button for the sake of YouTube's algorithm. So we all know that even if you have the best story idea, it won't be any good and appealing without illustrations. And on Fiverr, you can easily pay thousands of dollars to freelancers to create illustrations for you. But what if I told you that all images you see on the screen were generated using an AI art generator for 100% free? You surely heard of AI art and how you can generate original images by typing words, and this is what I did to finish the first chapter of my story. Let me show you how. When it comes to AI art generator, there are many tools out there that you can try out. I have tried a lot of them, and I found that Midjourney is the best one, but it's not free anymore, it is paid. So if you have money to spend, then you can use Midjourney, but I don't have money to spend, so I am going with a free option, that is Dall-E. So here is the Dall-E. This is a website by OpenAI, and you can generate images and arts by using this website. Now I can go to ChatGPT and copy the title of first chapter, that is the mysterious legend. So I am going to Dall-E and ask Dall-E to generate an image of a mysterious legend and click on generate. It will just take a few seconds. So as you can see, Dall-E has given us some mysterious images. Now you can do the same with all of your remaining chapters, and within few minutes your illustrations will be ready to use. Once you like the image, you can hit download and the image would be downloaded into your device. So I won't repeat the process for all of the images because the video would be too long, but you get the idea. Start section by section and generate images based on your story topics. Now that we have generated the images, now let me show you how to combine the images and the text that you have generated using ChatGPT to create a professional looking storybook. First, head over to canva.com and search for storybooks. Here you would find a lot of templates that you can use for free. You can choose any of these, whichever you like, but I am going to click on create blank. Now you can simply upload the images and drag and drop it into the template. Now go to ChatGPT and copy the first part of the story. Now head over to Canva and paste the text on top of your image. Now you can change the font, you can change the colors and the font style to make it stand out. So take your time to create the illustration. I really like Canva because it's a free tool. You can easily generate illustrations and images by using Canva. Once your first illustration is ready, now you can click on duplicate page. Now go to the next page, and here you can easily drag and drop your next image and copy and paste the next chapters of the story, and you won't have to make the adjustments again, and it will save you a lot of time because now you can add the new images and text while the style remains the same. So here you can also change the colors of the text if you don't like it. There are so many options to choose from. You can choose whichever you like, and then you can click on share, go to download and choose PDF print and download your storybook. So once your storybook is ready, you can download it by following these steps. After that, all you need to do is to replicate the same process for all of your remaining chapters and download the storybook as PDF print. Congratulations, you have created your very first storybook successfully, and there is only one step left to start making passive income, which is publishing your storybook. Unfortunately, I won't be able to explain the entire process because this might take another hour, but instead I am going to show you some simple steps that you can follow to publish your storybook on Amazon KDP. So you just have to head over to amazon.com. First you have to create a seller account on Amazon. After creating your account on Amazon, you have to upload your storybook. You can set up pricing and you can start selling. Here is a quick recap of everything you need to do step by step. Number 1, generate the story idea using ChatGPT. Step number 2, generate the story outline and chapters. Step number 3, generate the illustrations using Dall-E. Step number 4, add the story text to images using Canva and save it as PDF print. Step number 5, publish your book on Amazon. And step number 6, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel to see all my upcoming videos. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you have enjoyed watching this video, and if you have come this far, then check out this video over here that is about how to grow a YouTube channel. And that's it, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.